by Racing Giants inside area. Papa Lolo break quickly at the start. Down on the inside comes Security World. In the middle portion comes Head Honcho. Star of Manel. Then followed over by Terrible Heart, Boss Rick, while Pay to View is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Head Honcho running by the release Terrible Heart. Alongside comes Boss Rick. Next on line is Star of Manel. Papa Lolo comes next. Security World, while Pay to View is still running at the tail of the field. Down the backstretch they travel. Head Honcho. Down on the inside comes Terrible Heart. Next on line is Boss Rick. 5 wide comes Star of Manel. Then followed over by Papa Lolo. Security World, while Pay to View is still running at the tail of the field. And on the far turn, we have Boss Rick moves up by about half length. Terrible Heart in second. And on the outside comes Star of Manel. Then moving up now is Security World as they swing for home. Boss Rick, Terrible Heart. And on the outside comes now is Security World, Star of Manel. We have Boss Rick moving up on the outside is Security World to take the lead. It's now Security World. Boss Rick drops back in second. And finally, it's Security World. Boss Rick.
Well, yun nga po, itong Security World, that's entry number 5, ang unang tumawid, beating itong nagdala ng bandera na si Boss Rick.